Food on the table is making sun-dried tomato chicken bake. Here's what you'll need. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breast halves, 1 8-ounce jar of sun-dried tomatoes, 2 teaspoons dried basil, 4 cloves of garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. Place the chicken breasts in a large glass baking dish. Sprinkle with the dry spices and spread the sun-dried tomatoes over the entire dish. Seal tightly with tin foil and bake for 20 minutes. Remove the tin foil and bake for another 15. Yum and fun with food on the table.